Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove the skins from tomatoes. So you start off with your tomatoes. I like to use a paring knife, it's a lot easier to handle for this step. So you start, make an X on the bottom of it, just lightly score it, no need to go too deep. That way it'll help the skins pull away once you plunge them into the hot water, once the water's boiling. I like to get quite a few ready because your pot can hold quite a few and it doesn't take long for this to work. Next, once the water starts to boil, you're going to take your tomatoes. I like to use our spider. Plunge them in. What you're looking for is where you made your X on the bottom, you scored. It'll cause the tomato skins to pull away and crack up the sides, so it'll make peeling a lot easier. And it doesn't take long to start seeing that. You're not cooking these, you're just putting them in there long enough to get the peels to start pulling away. So here's a good crack. You can see the skins pulling away right where you made your X. That is just what you need. You plunge it into your ice water to help cool it down, so it makes peeling them a lot easier. I like to keep a cutting board right inside a sheet pan. It kind of keeps everything together, so that way all your mess right here, easy cleanup. So now you can see it's cooled down and they just peel right away. Like magic.